heartbreaking story from Hasekgopo, Block C, where a 14-year-old boy Ngwako Gapane was found after spending nearly a month living at a local tavern. According to community members, Ngwako had been kicked out of his home by his older sister due to ongoing behavioral problems. He reportedly spent 28 days sleeping at Sitabudi Tavern, surviving by asking customers for small change during the day. Sources revealed that Ngwako's troubles began earlier this year after he tragically lost his mother in a car accident in April 2025. Since then, his behavior reportedly changed drastically, leading to challenges at home and at school. His sister told reporters that she tried to support him but felt overwhelmed by his sudden change in attitude. She said, "Ngwako was a good child before our mother passed away. After her death, everything changed. I reached a point where I didn't know what to do anymore." Social workers have since intervened and taken Ngwako into their care for psychological support and therapy. They believe he may be suffering from severe emotional trauma linked to his mother's passing. This is definitely sad. Such a young age, staying 28 days at a tavern. It's a tough world that we live in. A spokesperson for the Department of Social Development confirmed that Ngwako is now in a safe environment and will receive professional help to rebuild his life. School officials described him as once being a top student, expressing sadness over the situation and hope that he will recover fully. The community has praised social workers for stepping in and called for greater awareness about mental health among young people who experience loss or trauma. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and kindly share this video.